Careful. Are you all right?
I'm okay.
Good. It's important to be safe. Husky, please do not touch the elevator buttons.
Okay, Dad.
Come on, everyone.
Let's go. Okay, Daddy.
What a lovely day.
The car is this way.
Okay, Dad.
The car is open.
Let's go.
Everyone, get in the car.
Okay, Dad. I'm ready.
Today, we are going to the movie theater.
Yay! I am excited. Me too.
That sounds wonderful.
Wow, the city is beautiful.
Yes, it is very beautiful.
Finally, we are at the movie theater.
Wow.
A few moments later.
Wow, look at that.
Husky, please be quiet. Is your popcorn?
Thank you, Dad. Yum, good popcorn.
The movie is over.
I liked it. It was fun.